Hey everyone, anyone out there is watching right now? Hope you can join us as we take on Crayon etching or scratch art. As you can see, we have here a simple etching marking with alphabet, so let's just jump right in. But first, let me show you the things of what we'll be needing. First one would be a table. No. Obviously, the paper stationery are also fine. Next one would be crayons, followed by scissors and tape, just for holding the paper into place. But before you start cutting, for the kids, always ask an adult or be under guidance. Just give it another tap and we're ready to start. Next step, coloring. We can start with the 3 primary colors, starting with red, followed by yellow, and lastly, color blue. Then let us end the first row with color brown. As for the next last row, starting with green. Then next with the color violet. Then next we have the color orange. We will be using the secondary colors. Next is just me randomizing colors. After all that, we will be overwriting it with the color black. Now the etching part. You can use any blunt item such as ruler or even popsicle sticks. But for this session I'll be using a pencil. And now as we go along, Alice is in charge in pronouncing as to what I have written. You know what? Let's just stop being formal and just etch it the way we like it. as we zoom out, now you can see the colors stand out despite the overall black color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
W might still be a bit too hard for Alice.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Why?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
And with that, we are done. I can say, not bad. But for all who is watching, this is not limited to just ABC letters. You can pretty much write or draw anything you like, or even experiment with the colors, as long as the black always be the one to override all of it. Let your imagination take over and draw such as animals, nature, or even people. And don't forget to clean up after. Well, until next time.